Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at the camera I'm actually recording with in 1080p at 30 frames per second. But actually, this camera I'm recording with can record in 4K 60. And it's a really nice camera. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and particularly the Creator Combo. Now, I have the like basically what used to be called the do-it-all handle attached, which provides you extra battery length in the transmitter for this lapel mic, which I'm using right now, which is the DJI mic system. Also, what sets this apart from the DJI Osmo Pocket 2, which I've also had, is that used to just come with a mic that you could only use with that camera. This one you can use with any DJI mic system 2 mic, so you can hook it up to 2 mics. The old system you couldn't. Really nice, really nice, really nice. Really good lens on this, much bigger, and a bigger sensor also than the DJI Pocket 2. So, just in case you guys are looking at getting one of the older Pocket 2s. I actually, like I said, am recording with this very camera right now in a very dark studio with only one ring light providing me light. And the audio is from the included mic that comes with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This is the Creator Combo, and this is brand new. I got it. Wasn't given to me or anything like that. It's kind of sealed up pretty good here. But I'm going to show you what comes inside the Creator Combo. Comes with this very nice compact carrying case. Kind of looks like a men's toiletry bag, to be honest. But maybe just a little bit smaller. Just throw that stuff over the side. And it is water resistant and has a sealed zipper. Opening it up, you have the mic I'm recording with right now. It does come with a very nice wind filter as well. It also comes with a wide angle lens, charging cord, and more. Then you have the do-it-all handle, which I've never been very good at opening these, but let's see. Let's go. Oh, I did pretty good that time. This is like the do-it-all handle. You don't have to use this camera with this handle, but this handle gives it extra battery length and has the receiver for the microphone built into it, and it does have a threaded port for a tripod, but so does the actual camera itself. Then pulling this out, you have the regular adapter here. Okay, so it comes with a little tripod as well, nothing really special about it, and then you have, voila, the beautiful, awesome DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. And the way this works is pretty cool. So here you see there's USB-C plug in the bottom here to charge it up, and you can run it off external power. However, one difference here is that the old one was really difficult to get the do-it-all handle on and off. This one, it's super easy. And you have to put it comes with another adapter that's not a do-it-all handle with an extra battery and transponder in it. And that one has the thread adapter for a tripod. See how it just clips? This one's so much easier. It just clips in and out. You just push that center button, clip in, clip out. To turn it on, you can just flip the screen, or you can hold down this like orange ring button, and beautiful joystick on this. It can connect to your phone via the app wirelessly and transmit the image that you're currently viewing. It can, and the biggest thing, and probably one of the two biggest things that are better about this than the old one, are that not only does it allow you to connect 2 mics and the regular DJI mic system 2 mics, but in it allows you to be able to film in 9:16 aspect ratio, and if you flip the screen, it automatically switches to 16:9. So that alone, if you want to film shorts or reels, is a game changer. Also, it does have a better sensor, better lens, and does better in low light. This is a fantastic camera.